Welcome, viewers. Today, we're delving deep into the fascinating realm of focus, a skill that's more valuable than ever in our fast-paced world. Have you ever marveled at how some individuals seem to effortlessly achieve their goals, while others struggle to concentrate on even the simplest tasks? While the secret lies in their ability to harness the power of focused attention. So, let's embark on a journey to uncover the nuances of focus, explore the factors that influence it, and discover effective strategies to enhance our concentration levels. Let's explore 10 common reasons why you might be struggling to focus, along with actionable strategies to address each issue. 1. Lack of sleep. Sufficient rest is vital for both body and mind. Without adequate sleep, the brain becomes fatigued and unable to focus, hindering concentration. It's crucial to prioritize quality rest each night to maintain optimal cognitive function. By allowing the mind to recharge through restful sleep, you enhance focus, memory retention, and overall cognitive abilities. Make sleep a priority in your daily routine, creating a conducive environment for relaxation and rejuvenation. Your brain will thank you for the restorative benefits of a good night's sleep, enabling you to approach each day with clarity, alertness, and mental acuity. 2. Excessive distractions. In the modern digital era, constant connectivity poses a challenge to maintaining focus. The barrage of devices, notifications, and background noise can fragment your attention, making it difficult to concentrate on tasks at hand. To combat this, it's essential to minimize distractions by cultivating a conducive work environment and setting boundaries with technology. Designate specific times for checking emails and notifications, and create dedicated spaces free from distractions for focused work. Consider utilizing productivity tools or apps that block distracting websites or limit screen time. By taking proactive steps to manage digital distractions, you can reclaim your focus and enhance productivity in today's hyper-connected world. 3. Unresolved problems. Persistent issues can consume precious mental bandwidth, diverting attention from the present task. Tackling problems head-on, even with small steps, can clear mental clutter and sharpen focus. Whether it's resolving pending tasks, organizing thoughts, or seeking resolution to concerns, addressing lingering issues empowers concentration. By taking proactive measures to address challenges, you create a clearer mental landscape, conducive to sustained focus and productivity. Don't let unresolved issues weigh you down. Instead, confront them decisively to unlock your full potential and achieve greater clarity of mind. 4. Lack of planning. Approaching tasks without a clear plan can result in inefficiency and distraction. To optimize productivity, develop a structured approach to your work. Break down tasks into manageable steps and create a roadmap for success. Start by outlining the objectives and deadlines. Then prioritize tasks based on importance and urgency. Allocate specific time slots for each task and minimize multitasking to maintain focus. Regularly review your progress and adjust your plan as needed. By following a structured approach, you'll enhance efficiency, reduce stress, and increase your chances of achieving your goals effectively. 5. Insufficient exercise. Physical activity is not only essential for maintaining physical health, but also plays a vital role in cognitive function. Regular exercise promotes brain plasticity, reduces stress levels, and enhances focus and concentration. By incorporating movement into your daily routine, whether through brisk walks, workouts, or yoga sessions, you support mental clarity and overall well-being. Physical activity increases blood flow to the brain, delivering oxygen and nutrients that support optimal brain function. Additionally, exercise stimulates the release of endorphins, neurotransmitters that promote a positive mood and reduce feelings of stress and anxiety. Prioritize regular physical activity to nurture both your body and mind, fostering a healthy and resilient cognitive state. 6. Disorderly environment. A cluttered workspace can overwhelm the mind and disrupt productivity. Organize your surroundings to minimize visual distractions and foster a conducive environment for focused work. Clearing clutter, organizing essentials, and maintaining a tidy workspace can enhance mental clarity and improve concentration. By creating an orderly environment, you set the stage for increased productivity and efficiency in your work tasks. 7. Undiagnosed ADHD. Attention deficit/hyperactivity disorder, ADHD, can significantly impact focus and attention. If you suspect you may have ADHD, seek professional evaluation and explore treatment options to better manage symptoms. 8. Overwork. Excessive work can lead to mental fatigue and decreased cognitive function. To avoid burnout and sustain focus, prioritize work-life balance and incorporate regular breaks into your schedule. By allowing yourself time for rest and relaxation, you can recharge your mind and maintain optimal productivity. Strike a healthy balance between work and personal life to safeguard your mental well-being and ensure long-term success in your endeavors. 9. Poor diet. Nutrition is integral to brain health and function. Optimize cognitive function and mental clarity by fueling your body with nourishing foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These nutrient-rich choices provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support optimal brain function. By prioritizing a balanced diet, you can enhance focus, memory, and overall cognitive performance, empowering yourself to tackle tasks with clarity and efficiency. 10. Chronic stress. Persistent stress can detrimentally affect cognitive function and disrupt focus. Mitigate these effects by incorporating stress management techniques into your routine, such as mindfulness, deep breathing, and relaxation exercises. These practices help alleviate tension and promote mental clarity, enabling you to maintain focus and productivity even in challenging circumstances. Prioritize your well-being by dedicating time to stress relief activities, allowing you to navigate stressors with resilience and maintain optimal cognitive function. In conclusion, enhancing our ability to focus is a multifaceted endeavor that requires a combination of environmental, lifestyle, and mindset adjustments. By minimizing distractions, prioritizing self-care, and practicing focused attention techniques, we can unlock our full potential and achieve greater success in both our personal and professional lives. So let's commit to cultivating a focused mindset and embracing the power of directed attention to navigate life's challenges with clarity, purpose, and resilience. If you found this exploration of focus insightful and valuable, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content on personal development and productivity. Together, let's embark on a journey of growth and self-discovery. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay focused and keep striving for greatness.